Ooh, what's going on, YouTube? It's your boy O'Neal with another banger. But as you saw in the title and thumbnail, we got the new taillights. We're going to put them in. So this is the before. I'm not even going to get onto that, but if you saw the last video, yeah, I know. And if you didn't see the last video, go watch that because you'll know why the car is about to sound like the way it does. Because we did some special things, so go watch that last video. Turbo blown. Hear that? Turbo gone. Ugh. But I'm about to warm the car up, move it around to the crib, and start taking this car apart and getting it ready to put the new taillights in. So yeah, we're gonna cut to that. Us currently finish it up. This is taillight.
Some die for my heavy feet. 3.5 just to help me sleep.
Turned on? Still work? So you got this side in. That chat is freezing out here, so I'm gonna give you a quick update. So we got this side out, or this side in to line up for that. Then we got that one, and then put the trunk back together. And then yeah, that's it. These are the taillights in. We're having a little bit of issues with the battery with these taillights. It's saying try to charge the battery, but the other day the battery kept dying, so I'll see. I'm gonna take it on the block and do what I gotta do, but this is them. Brother, I like that bar. It looks fire, yo. The whole rear end is complete now. I want to put what you put on that rear on the window. That little spoiler thing you have on the window. I think that's it, and I'm done. That should look crazy.
Yeah, you just gotta get the paddle shifters in there, right?
Yes.
Three days later.
He'll be into it. Right here, you should be good. You can stack tools on tools. Right?
Yeah. Have mad shit. Ooh, chat. We got down pipe back there. Got the new rims. Gonna put them on the car with the new taillights. This looks crazy. Oh my god. Put some gas in the car. It's cold. I can back to tomorrow. I can't. Oh shit. 0.5. Yeah. 0.5. There we go. I'm about to go inside and get my toolbox.
Brother's looking nice. Got me out here freezing. It's 20 degrees.
Alright, so chat, you know, you see we got the new rims. You saw we put the taillights in. We did the resonator. We got stuff going, you feel me? 2025 is no stop, straight grinding. One by one, I'm spending hella money. I'm broke. But look at the car. The car don't look. Show a picture of the car. But it's cold as hell. We don't care. No stop. No stopping. We straight grind. We gonna put the rims on. We gonna take the car for a little cruise. We gonna do everything we gotta do. I'm cold. Brick bar ain't working. We gonna figure it out. We get straight to it. I need I don't know what, I think it's 18?
Yeah, might be.
I don't remember. 17.
At least you got those.
We're gonna do it the hood way. Brick bar, what's that? We're gonna take this ratchet here. Thing on it, the hood way. See? Oh, where's the jack? I'm gonna just loosen them first before we do that, right? Yeah. See, I'm like Hercules in this motherfucker.
Wow, man. Damn.
We need the jack.
Yeah.
Real bad man, no handle in a shot.
Everybody, tonight get the hunt.
2025, we do our own work. We don't pay people to do stuff. Yeah, we don't have the proper breaker bar or anything. Come close. Hurry, can't even hear me. We don't have the proper tools. We do. We see the toolbox over there, but fuck, you can get it out. Come here. But why pay an extra $100 to put this in, put them on, if you got hands yourself, right? Yeah. Don't need to pay that money. I got working hands and feet. I could lift. There's a shot. So now, we gotta see if the directional yeah, cool. Okay, so rotation. What is this? Okay. Imagine they don't fit.
That would be.
I'll cry.
That would be very sad.
Boots. Okay.
Try to keep the camera on you while I'm getting the boats.
Back on the grill. The customers are.
Oh,
Where's the the rack?
let me get up there. Great angles.
Imagine, right?
What?
I do all this.
Yeah.
And then when I try to go take these off later when I buy the red caps,
Yeah.
I gotta take the wheels off again.
Damn.
Imagine.
That would just be pain right there. Straight pain. You're like, I just did all that. Getting up and close too. Great angles. Shout out the cameraman, man.
Fuck the camera.
They should paint.
The thing is why I don't want to pay nobody.
Well,
Because if I go over there they tell me it don't fit, I'm gonna be pissed. I'm gonna be
make
mad.
it fit. Make it fit.
Like, I'll be mad. That's why I want to do it myself because I know it don't fit. I was like, okay, I know they don't fit. What the fuck? Sad day. They don't fit. I don't have the proper lugs. So, stay tuned to part 2. Because we're going to get these to fit. We're going to make them work. We're going to make them work. Trust that. We'll make them work. Until then, it is what it is. We're going to make them fit though. Stay tuned to part 2. That's all for today's video, you guys. We'll give you a part 2. We'll make sure these fit. But until then, like, subscribe, put on post notifications to get more amazing content like this. Only out. Peace.